Are you feeling stuck in life? Maybe you're wondering why you never have enough time, money, or energy to do what you love. Maybe you feel like you're just spinning your wheels and getting nowhere. Well, you can change that. You can wander off the path today, but still get back on track tomorrow. Hey, I'm Matt Sherman, and welcome to Geek Psychology, where we use the concepts and lessons from geek and gaming culture to help us play life better. You've probably heard of a trope in RPGs called combat diplomacy stealth. It means that when faced with a problem, you can either fight it head on, talk your way out of it, or sneak around as well. Well, life is kind of like that too. Many times we think that the only option is to go in that full-on attack mode and fight our way through it, but most of the time there's more than one approach. If fighting isn't working for you, then maybe it's time to start talking instead. Now, if we take this concept and apply it to real life, say our problem is that we want to be healthier, we want to eat better, maybe exercise more, most people would say, well, just do it, right? But there's usually this underlying reason for it not happening or a benefit for maintaining the problem. So we go at it full attack mode, right? Forcefully trying to change our habits. But what if we use the combat diplomacy stealth framework instead? What if we realized that we could be healthy by, doing a keto diet or fasting or exercising heavily, combat, working together with an ally, friend or family member who is going after the same goal, diplomacy, or sneaking into a supermarket late at night dressed as Batman and booby-trapping the candy aisle, stealth. Stealth would be more like hypnosis, like going inside your mind, going into the past, dealing with the metaphorical representations of the delicious food, and swapping it with frog legs or something like that to make it so that you don't actually want to eat it. In neurolinguistic programming, NLP, there's a saying like, if you only have a single option, you're a robot. If you have two choices, you have a dilemma. If you have three or more ways to accomplish something, then you've got options. You're a human, you have options. So ask yourself, what would happen if I tried to solve this problem differently? What other options do I have? And bring out the combat diplomacy and stealth framework. The answer might surprise you. Good luck, have fun. It's really dark. I don't know what that is. It's my warm-up. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. Yes. He turned into a murloc.